Hi guys, it's Lillian Msamia. I'm back to my channel. I want to welcome everyone watching this video at this time of the hour. I had started preparing chicken house on the previous video that I had posted, and I did not show you the way I've prepared, where the chicken will be sleeping, where they'll be laying eggs. And now I'm going to show you how we are going to prepare it. A village girl, the way you know, at the village, this is exactly what happens. Like routine, every now and then, that's what happens in the village. And I'm proud being a village girl. Actually, it is so amazing. It is so interesting. You can see here we have Edith. Edith, just say hi. Hi. Hi, that's Edith. Then I have here my younger brother, Brian. He's also assisting me. Brian, yeah. Tell hi, my people. Hi. Okay, that is my brother. He's exactly assisting me to move the timbers to the other room. We want just to arrange this house so that the chicken could be using one place and not the whole house for it. We've arranged this side. We've kept, we shall be putting here charcoal. Not unlike yesterday on the other video that I posted, you had seen charcoal. The chicken were able to make it as its bedding. But today I've decided to put it on this corner and also to put all these chicks' houses in this room, so that the chicken can use only one room. And that one room I have to prepare it so that it can be able to have space for laying eggs and also where they can just sleep for their normal day. Actually, be my guest, support me in this, keep on watching my videos, and I'm proud of everyone supporting me. I'm proud of those new subscribers, the returning subscribers, and all the new people who are on this channel at this moment of time. Actually, I don't take you for granted, but I do appreciate you. I acknowledge your presence. Thank you so much. The way you see here, I have chicken droppings. Here they are. This is chicken droppings we've collected and we've dried up. You can see it is very, very dry and dusty. Also, this one is chicken droppings. We use it as fertilizer. As you can see, the house, it has a lot of droppings. So we want to collect all these droppings. We put them in a sack. When there is sun, by tomorrow in the morning, we air them outside so that they are dry, but we shall use while we are planting vegetables. They are of great use to us. We usually use them while planting. Also, I had kept here charcoal, and most of them have been mixed by the chicken droppings, so we are collecting so that you can clean this room. You can see a lot of droppings. Also this side, I'm supposed to remove. You can see down there is a lot of sawdust. I have to collect that sawdust that is already used and throw it out, pour it outside. Then also clean the where the chickens are able to sleep. We have some space. You can see there's some space here. So the droppings will be just falling down. Then we collect. Yeah, like I said, this was just a house. It is not a chicken house. This one here is a sink. You can be able to see it. Then we collect all the droppings that are down. Then we make the place where the chicken can be able to lay eggs and also to sleep during their resting time.
As you can see, my sister is doing the nice job. Then they're going to finish and starting to mop.
Okay, now you can see I'm done with the cleaning. I've already cleaned the these partitions already. Also, I've swept the floor. I've already swept the floor. Now, I just want to mop. Also here, we are supposed to, here are the droppings. We have half a sack. We have this one. And then what is in the bucket over there, what you are seeing in the bucket, those are used as sawdust. We put in where the chicken sleeps. Also, this room we are finished sweeping, so we just want to do the mopping. But I'm mostly interested where I'm supposed to put the chicken, where they will be sleeping, of which it is this room. This is where the chicken will be sleeping. Okay, right now we have to arrange where my chicken will be lying. I'm done. Like you can see, it is just a hole, but I have to partition. Just like that. Okay, you can see this is how it's going to look like. Also, I have the other side. You have to make this side also. Make sure you don't hit your brain. Okay, and lastly, okay, this is how it's looking like. Assist me. Just the camera. Okay, as you can see, I'm done with this side. This is how it's looking like. The partitions, the whole place, this is where they'll be sleeping. So I have to put in the sawdust or the maize stalks that they have already shelled, so that collecting the droppings becomes easy. It is very, very dusty. But this one helps while collecting the animal droppings. It becomes easy. You find it very easy to collect the droppings. Oh, it's very dusty. So I have to finish this side. Those are places where the hen will be able to sleep, and I also have to make the places where they have to lay their eggs, and also they'll be able to use those places for hatching. Okay, now I'm preparing the place where we can have hatching place. I just put a gunia down, then I add the tire on top of it. Here is the tire. Just put the tire like that. Then I put the soda inside. I have to put enough sawdust. This way, so the hen is able to hatch from that place and also can lay eggs on the same. Also, I have to make another place where they can. Also here, it is a nice point where they can lay eggs. Here is the tire. And I put the sawdust. It is also a nice point where the hen can be able to hatch from. Also, the basin can be used for the same, so I have enough tires. Okay, here I have another hatching point. Here is my sack already. Then I put this tire. The tire, then I add sawdust on top. Baby cat, you're busy? You're busy? She's busy too. Okay, here it is. Then I put my sawdust. And I ensure it is a nice place where the hen can just hatch from. So I've already prepared exactly where the hen can be able to sleep. So at night they'll be able to sleep on these partitions over, as you can see, the partitions. Then those ones laying eggs, they can use the tires below as their spotting points for laying eggs. And also if they want to hatch, they can also use those points. You can see there's another one over here, this corner, and also there's another one. I've placed it this corner. So all those places can be used for that. So I'm just going to do the cleaning, and I'm not yet finished. Just be my guest. Be my guest. Help me as I arrange today. Drop your comment, share, watch, subscribe if it's your first time coming on my channel. So drop your comment, that will help me. Maybe where you see I am supposed to make some changes, your comment will really be of help to me. Also support me. Share my videos to your friends, your fans. Share so that you'll be supporting me so much. I really, really do appreciate all of you for supporting me. Actually, it is Lillian. So also let me take care of these chicks droppings. This is manure. You can see I already have half a sack. This is half and dry. Kate, you're making noise. You're making noise, baby. You can see this one is half of it and it is dry. So I have to keep it safe. Let me carry. Okay. Baby, you're not carrying. You're helping me. Wow. Oh, she's doing the pushing as I do the pulling. Push. She's helping me by pushing as I do the pulling all by myself. Okay, these are the droppings. You've arrived. That's great. You want to be carried. Okay. So that is also we have the other one that Edith is bringing. That one has not dried. It is the one that I've just collected right now. But tomorrow I'll put it outside on the air so that it becomes dry. It will be okay by tomorrow. Okay, Brian, that one. Yes. Now we are adding the places where the chicken can just sleep on, because there are too many and they like sleeping high points. It's okay. It's okay like that. Okay. Yes. Now make sure it is okay. This way is a little bit fair. Now this is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. My chicken mostly like sleeping on high points. Whenever they enter this room, they don't like sleeping on the floor or anywhere just below. They like jumping high so that they can sleep. And that's why I've decided to do this for them actually. As you can see, this is how they are going to spend their nights. And it will be so easy because it will be very easy for me to collect the droppings. On high points, the way you are seeing, also when they want to lay their eggs, you can see on the corner, we have the tire. We have another spawning point there. I've not put the sawdust, but I'll make sure I do it before it's time. Also, the other side, you can see, we also have a tire, a laying point. Also, we have another one. There's two dark on there. There you can see. Also that one. So we shall be using those points for laying. Actually, thank you so much for being my guest. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for being there for me. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Then the returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting me. Thank you so much. You can see Edith has already started mopping this room. She's almost finishing to mop. We have arranged the timbers on the other side, and when she's done, we shall remove all these houses for the chicken. We shall put them in the other room and lock it up. Then we mop also these other rooms and we shall be done with it. Actually, today I had just planned to show you how I'm going to prepare chicken house. And that is how it has just gone and how it has ended. Thank you so much for watching my video up to the end. I really do appreciate my people. Keep going. Keep following me. Thank you, guys.